If you are not expecting a better battery life out of the Pixel 7 Pro, then start expecting a great battery life out of the Pixel 7 Pro, because the initial numbers on the Pixel 7 Pro are quite surprising and exciting since this thing lasts fairly longer. If you don't have a busy day with your Pixel 7 Pro, it can last even 2 full days while using the camera for 22 minutes including some gaming session and Twitter session. This thing lasted the full day, and at the end of the day it was at 49%. Most people complain about the Pixel 6 Pro battery last year when it was launched, but later Google fixed the issue with the software update, but thankfully Pixel 7 Pro is already a beast in battery backup. Google has nailed the Pixel 7 Pro with its battery life, and this user Danny Silverster has also got the phone early and he's been tasting out the battery life. He charged his battery at 7:30 in the morning and he's been recording 4K 60 FPS videos, photos, playing Genshin Impact, a heavy graphic-intensive game, and general usage. And after 7:50 p.m. over 12 hours later, the phone still has 49% charge, which is impressive. He also mentioned that while playing Genshin Impact the phone doesn't heat up. In fact, he says the phone doesn't heat up at all during his full day of usage, which is surprisingly because it's Samsung who's manufacturing these chipsets. The Pixel 7 Pro packs the same 5000 mAh battery as its predecessor. Google claims the battery can last beyond 24 hours, though your mileage will vary. Google Pixel 7 Pro charging speed is also good. While using an 20 watts fast charger, this thing charged pretty good, even though Google put a 30 watts fast charging support in the Pixel 7 Pro by plugging Pixel 7 on charging on 20%, and in 30 minutes it goes up to 56%, which means 36% in half an hour, and in 60 minutes it goes up to 83%, which is good. Since the charging was 20 watts, I think using a similar changer will keep the battery safe and healthy for a longer time. The Pixel 7 lineup sports the faster and smarter Tensor G2 chip, and the Tensor chip inside the Pixel phones powers Google's machine learning tools, allowing the phone to translate languages in real time to operate and make complicated camera tricks accessible for everyone. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.